Yeah, man, 7-8 Chevy boy out here working late, man. We just put the LED lights on the trailer, on my car trailer. I noticed the other night when I took it to Track Mania, it was all, one of them wasn't working. My passenger side wasn't working. So I came out here to add that one, and the new set I had were LEDs, but the original ones that were on the trailer were regular standard lights, use one bulb, So I put the one on and it didn't work right with the regular joint. The LED, it wouldn't work right, so I had to end up putting both of them on. But we got them on now, man. I had to make sure them lights straight go up that highway, man. I'm going up there messing with VeltBoy. Sunday, we had to make sure the trailer was right, man. So hit the brakes, man. See, we lighting up. Hit the left signal. Right signal. Get off the brakes. Left signal. We in there, man. Turn the signal off. Hit the brakes a couple times. We ready, man. We ready. Clean my trash up. Hang it back up, man. 7-8 Chevy boy. Getting ready for VeltBoy. Getting the trailer right, man. I'm out.